How to use MyIQ tutorial. Go to the website myiq.com. The link is in the description below. Then click on the button Start IQ Test Now. After that, you will be redirected to the IQ test. It's a pretty simple process. Now click on Start IQ Test. Here, you will have to answer 25 questions. I will not show you the answers since you need to figure them out on your own. And that's the last question. Now, the MyIQ website will analyze the answers. After answering basic information, the website will ask for your email so it can send you the results. I put my Gmail and clicked on continue. Now we have to pay for the report. It's just 99 cents, so nothing too expensive. I paid with my PayPal, just 2 clicks and I'm done. After completing the payment, you will have to enter your name. The website will show you the features and offer some interesting quizzes or games. And here are your results. On the left side, you have your own IQ certificate. You can download it or share it on social media. Next to that, you have your detailed analysis report. If you are interested in learning more about your IQ, click on See My Report. It gives you an in-depth analysis of your answers. And that's it. If you want to share your results with a friend, you can do it by copying the link on the right side. If you want to challenge your brain even more, there are interesting puzzles, games, courses. My personal favorites are the puzzles since I loved them as a kid. If you have any questions regarding the tutorial or the website, feel free to ask in the comments section.